We all know the saying, garbage in, garbage out. But did you know that the cost of garbage in could be up to 15 to 25% of your revenue? If your organization gathers data from other sources, especially from outside sources like customers or suppliers to get your work done, you need to make sure you have this under control. So, let's get into it. Welcome to this episode of Leader to Leader, where we talk about news and insights for how to run your organization and not let your organization run you. Hi, my name is John and I'm the founder at PipelineApp.io, and I wanted to share an important article from the MIT Sloan Management Review talking about how bad or inaccurate data ends up costing you a lot of revenue. 15 to 25% in fact. How? Well, at the start, it only costs $1 to prevent an error, but most organizations don't invest enough in prevention. Instead, the error slips inside, and now it's going to cost you $10 to fix because now you're paying someone to double check, catch, and fix those errors. Sound familiar? And if it makes it all the way to the customer, it's going to cost you $100 to fix it because now it's an emergency. You need to realize that this is hurting your bottom line over and over again because, as the article says, this is a reactive approach to data quality. Accommodating bad data this way wastes time and is expensive. Think about how much time, energy, and money is wasted on fixing errors after the fact, when instead all you needed was more prevention upfront. Because as the article points out, the root causes of 80% or more of errors can be eliminated. How? By stopping garbage in at the source, by capturing data correctly and upfront. Start by getting out of email because that's highly error-prone. Instead, use forms for validations and governance. For example, need a file from your client? Make that required. Need multiple pieces of data? Don't use a note or a comment field where people can type in whatever they want. Use a form and make multiple fields because you can validate each field individually, like adding a date picker for date fields. Or turn multiple choice questions into radio buttons or drop-downs. All of these things not only prevent errors, you make it easier for your client to fill out. It's a win-win all the way around. Now, obviously, emails and to-do lists and checklists can't do any of this. That's why organizations use a workflow app like Pipeline to add forms, validations, and governance into their tasks to ensure they collect accurate data upfront and prevent garbage in. Want to see how it works? Just schedule a quick meeting with me or another advisor here at PipelineApp.io. In just 27 minutes, we'll show you the secret to how other organizations are using Pipeline to improve data quality and reduce costs at the same time. Alright guys, if this video was helpful to you, please like and share it with your friends and colleagues so that you, as leaders, run your organizations and not let your organization run you.